Who said Njahi has to be boring? Today I'm going to show you how to make your Njahi into a delicious curry stew. I'm going to use the new improved tropical heat curry powder, and the twist to it is I'm adding plain yogurt to make the dish creamy. Let's get started. So welcome to the show. Today's recipe, once again, it's delicious. Mind you, we are using the all-new tropical heat curry powder. It has a new formulation and it's really makes the curry dish tasty. So I'll start with the onion as well. The onion is about 2 medium-sized onions. I have some blended tomato. I have the Njahi. I'm gonna use French beans. I also have carrots. I have red bell peppers, and also the twist to this recipe is that I'm going to use plain natural yogurt. Now I'll start by cooking my onions. Now the good thing about the curry powder, apart from the fact that it has a nice aroma, in fact every time I use it, to be honest, I just love the flavor. It's pure and natural because it doesn't have any preservative or anything artificial in terms of flavoring. That is good. And now we add the curry powder, about 2 tablespoons of powder, because the more yellow it is, the more intense it is. It also depends on the amount of food you have. So at this stage I'm going to add the blended tomato. So to the blended tomato, you let it simmer on medium heat. And at this stage, I'll actually add the vegetables that I have. And like I said, use whatever vegetables you have available, but try and mix the different colors, because when the dish will be done, it will be really colorful and delicious. I'll also add some salt, and I'll cover and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. So again, when you're doing this, when you're simmering, you should be careful, because the tomato can easily dry up and get stuck. So it's always a good idea to keep your eye on it. And then at this stage, I'll add the Njahi. This is where the magic happens with the colors. You need to stir it while it's still dry. So usually I do this for about a minute before I add the water, some water, until it actually covers the beans. It actually looks really nice. Previously, before I even discovered this, the new improved curry powder, sometimes I usually add more cumin to give that deeper taste. So with this one, it's all rounded. So right now is wait for the water to start simmering. Now I can taste the curry powder. It's flavorful, but there's another extra taste that is there. Usually comes when you have tomato, even sometimes the curry powder. So my tip is to add a little bit of sugar to balance off the taste. Add coriander. We are also going to add some plain yogurt. Now you can add pure cream, whipping cream or cooking cream, or even yogurt. It will give you different taste profiles. I can't explain what yogurt does, it just changes everything. And again, it may not be for everyone, but remember to balance the taste, and usually my trick is to use some sugar. So now the food is ready. All that is left is to serve. Now you can serve it with chapati, with rice. It's an all-round dish. It's vegetarian, it's tasty. It's nutritious, and thanks to the new and improved tropical heat curry powder. Get to make yours. Give me the feedback. Let me know how yours turns out. If you're using the new improved curry powder, let me know your feedback about its taste. And until next time, goodbye.